Jesus, little swampy areas. It's not about the one with this stuff. It's about the endless ruts of hell. And just a tire is in the middle. There were two of them, as a matter of fact. Everything's so different, though. One rainstorm. Oh, hello, owl. Whoo-hoo. There we go. Middle ridge is good. And right ridge looks pretty good, too. If you're going to drop onto one side, make sure to drop onto the right side. Oh, almost lost her. Holy shit, man. Look at what this has turned into. Oh, there we go. Okay, back into the riverbed. All right, we're almost there. That is the worst of it. Let me just check my camera. How are you making out there, Jeff? Your toolkit is still there, looking very good. All right, buddy, let's carry on.